Hello guys, welcome to CAD by Hole. Today we will see how to download and install Creo 3.0 free student version in your PC. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and type PTC Creo Student version download and Google it. Open the first link. Here you will find this page. Type your first name. I am typing ABC. Last name XYZ. Email ID abc@gmail.com. Retype it abc@gmail.com. Select your respective country. What best describe you? Here I am selecting college and university student. Your mobile number 999888 and your job title. I am typing here student. Then submit it. Here you will find the various version. You have to select last version, that is Creo 3.0. Just select it. The PDF will be open. Here you will find the links, the licensing key. So click the link for download. If this message occurred, please click to continue to site. So here we don't have username and password. For that we have to create it. Click to create a new education account. Fill the details. First name ABC. Last name XYZ. Email abc@gmail.com. Repeat your email ID. Parent email ID is not required, so leave it blank. Education program, real world design challenges. Title, college or university student. School, I am typing COEP Pune. State, select anyone. Your country or region, India. Select your password and confirm it. For this security challenge, you have to select only the underlined numbers only. Here is 328. Then create account. Return to main page. Type username, which is your email ID, and your password. Then the export agreement page will appear. Just click the checkbox and continue. Select your Creo 3.0 version. Here is two versions available, 32-bit and 64-bit. So I am selecting here 64-bit. Just click to HTTPS. The window will pop up, save it. Then the downloading is started. After the download, go to respective folder, extract the zip file using WinRAR. Before installation, you have to disable the antivirus of the computer. So search the Windows Security, open it, go to Virus and Threat Protection. You will find the Manage setting, turn off the real-time protection, cloud delivered protection, automatic sample submission, and tamper protection. Now we are ready to go. Open the unzip folder, right click on setup icon, run as an administrator. Install a new software, then click next. Then the software license agreement page will open. Just click to accept the software license agreement. Then check this box. for confirmation, then click next. Here you have to submit a license key. For that, open that PDF and copy the license code, or you can use the code which is shown on the screen. Then click on install licensing. Here you have to fill the education account details, your username, usual email address and your password. Then click login. Now processing is starting. It will take time. Now success message is showing. Now click to next. Select the files you have to install. I want Creo Parametric and Thumbnail Viewer software only, so I am selecting those one. These applications are sufficient to run the Creo software. Select it. Then click install. This installation takes pretty much time, so sit back, relax. Now the installation is complete. Click finish button. Before running the software, just restart your PC. Now run your Creo Parametric software. Now it's starting. Just click no start working, close this window. Now the software is opened successfully. Now we're testing this software, so I am trying to create some part. Wow, this software is running perfectly, so enjoy it. Stay with us and learn how to create 3D models, sketches, assemblies in our YouTube videos. So like it, so subscribe our channel and learn new things with us. Thank you.